Sugar-free almond flour cookies recipe, Keto Friendly Bliss. Looking for a delicious, low-carb treat that satisfies your sweet tooth without spiking your sugar levels? These melt-in-your-mouth sugar-free almond flour cookies are your answer. Made with only 5 simple ingredients, they're easy to whip up and perfect for those on keto, gluten-free, or paleo diets. Plus, they're packed with healthy fats and protein, making them a guilt-free indulgence. Ingredients: makes about 12 cookies. 1 cup blanched almond flour. 1/4 cup powdered erythritol or other sugar-free sweetener. 1/4 cup softened unsalted butter. 1 large egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Optional, ½ cup sugar-free chocolate chips. Instructions. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. 2. In a large bowl, whisk together the almond flour and sweetener. 3. Using a hand mixer or electric stand mixer, cream the softened butter until light and fluffy. Gradually add the egg and vanilla extract, beating until combined. 4. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until a dough forms. It will be slightly crumbly, but should come together when pressed. 5. Fold in the sugar-free chocolate chips, if using. 6. Drop tablespoons of dough onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving space between each cookie for spreading. 7. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. 8. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Tips: for chewier cookies, bake for 10 minutes. For crispier cookies, bake for 12 minutes. You can use any type of sugar-free sweetener you like, such as stevia, monk fruit, or erythritol. Just be sure to adjust the amount based on the sweetness of your chosen sweetener. If the dough is too dry, add a tablespoon of water or melted butter at a time until it comes together. Feel free to get creative with different add-ins. Try chopped nuts, dried fruit, or spices like cinnamon or nutmeg. Store leftover cookies in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. Enjoy these delicious and healthy sugar-free almond flour cookies. They're perfect for a satisfying snack or dessert, and they're sure to become a new favorite. Bonus: you can substitute the almond flour with other nut flours like hazelnut or macadamia flour. For a vegan option, use vegan butter and a flax egg, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons water. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can cream the butter and sugar together by hand, but it will take longer. I hope you enjoy this recipe,